Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining today. You guys, I'm excited because I, first of all, have no clue what this is that I'm opening. I don't know what it is, but this is the real star of the show, but I'm gonna save this for later. I think this might be a purse that I purchased from Amazon. Let's just get into this first and then we'll get into the, oh, you wanna know what this is? I bought a hair dryer because I really wanted one with the detangler comb and none of my hair dryers have this. So I got this from Amazon. It was like 20 bucks, but I hope it works good. And it came with clips. Detangler came, 7 accessories included. What's the brand though? Bring the salon home, Kiss. So anyways, got that. Now, the moment that we've been waiting for. I literally ordered this yesterday and it just so happened to have overnight shipping, so. Please be everything I ever hoped and dreamed for. Tell me why this is like open. You know what? I already sensed myself having to return this. Well, anyways, I got a camcorder and everything looks like it's intact and seems like it's intact. But why was the box just so open already? That's a little, I'm questioning you. I'm not taking anything out fully just yet in case I had to return this motherfucker. This is the charger cords that it comes with. Comes with 2 batteries. And then this is the camcorder. It's so small and cute. Holy shit, hold on. Then we have the manual, because you know we're gonna need that. See, like y'all are on some dumb shit with me, I feel. All right. Let's just see what it looks like. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. She's so cute. She's so pretty. You two look so great. Can you imagine me? Gather, everybody, yes, how are you? Yeah. Okay, like, oh, not Leah bringing her camcorder again. Oh, not Leah always filming the shit. Yeah, baby. Smile, you're on candid motherfucking camera. Okay. So let me tell you, user's manual, check. Power supply, input and format memory card, video. Okay, did it come with the card? Because I don't think it did. All right, I have my own, but is it? See, hold on. Just hold on. Let me put the battery in. Put the battery in. How do you put the battery in? How do you do it? How the motherfucker? What? Oh, you literally just clank it on. Just clunk. Okay. So I'm assuming these are the zoom features. That little novel. Don't know what that part is. We'll figure it out. What, girl? This is suspect already. Okay. When I'm like, this is suspect already. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so excited. Yeah, okay. This is already, well, it's probably not gonna show you good, the quality, but hey, little girly, yeah! Can't wait to use you. Can't wait. Okay, so now I need to figure out about the HD card. Okay, so this is where you put it in, and there's not one in there. And they didn't give me one? Are you kidding? Are they supposed to give you one? Let me just go put one of mine in and just see if it fits. I did purchase another one. Oh my God, this camera is about to die, so I'm gonna have to go. But let me see if this fits really quick. Please don't die on me. Please don't die. Please. Please don't do it. Hold on. It's like when you need something to like not be secured in tight plastic the most, it's secured in tight plastic. All right. Not. Not it not working. Oh, there we go. Okay. Wait, why won't it turn on now? I don't know what I did, but I might have to play around with this, but this is the new, oh, here it goes. Here it's turning on. And I'm gonna format it and everything, and we'll see how it works. But yeah, this is the from Amazon HD digital video camera. And this is what it looks like. Gotta go cause we're dying. So thanks for joining. Like and subscribe. Love ya. Yes, bitch. Got my camcorder. Camcorder. It is, I personally think this is good quality for a camcorder that was 50 something bucks. So whoever was complaining about this on the reviews I watched, what were you expecting? Like, this is actually amazing. I fucking love it. Let me see how it's when I turn this around like this. Oh, can you do that? I don't see why you would do that. But I want to figure out, can I look in the viewfinder at myself? Zoom, so easy. Can't get over it. What else should I do? Should I show you my messy apartment? Like, I really do think this is good quality, like dead ass, but that's just me. This is me with the camera flipped around. This is good ass quality, dude. Like, I guess we'll see how it looks. But right now, honey, I'm loving it. I'm loving it.